Hello, my little explorers, and welcome to today's science lesson. We are studying about maps, and we're gonna know how maps answer questions. How do we use maps and why do we use them for? So let's go ahead and start with the lesson. The objectives of this lesson are I can read maps and I can recognize the importance of maps. Now please copy the links and paste them in your browser, go and watch them, pause this lesson while you watch them, and then come back to the lesson. Watch them carefully. So let's see. We have now our guided practice. We have to know, or we already know from the videos, that maps help scientists answer questions. These maps answer questions about where lizards live. Look at the key. A lizard symbol marks each new place a lizard was found. A purple symbol marks each place a lizard was observed. So this is our key. Okay, this is our key, and these are the symbols that we have. We have the purple, which means the lizards that have been observed. We have the yellow, which means the prediction where they thought the yellow area was where they thought that the lizards would be, and the picture of a lizard or a small lizard symbol are the new observations. So when we see those symbols in the map, we know what they mean. So we have here many of the purple symbols. All this purple means that they have observed lizards in that area. We see the new observations right here, which are the symbol of the lizard, and we have the yellow area where the scientists had predicted where they could find lizards. So, use the map key to find the areas that show where scientists predicted they would find the lizard. So what is the key to find the areas that shows where scientists predicted they would find lizards? And circle them. Now think. It's time to think. What if you are doing shopping alone in a big mall, then you felt hungry? You want to find the nearest restaurant to eat lunch. There are no security men around to help you. So what is another way to help you locate the restaurant quickly? What would you say, or what would you do? I can the map of the mall or the mall guide. I can use the map of the mall, or I can see the map of the mall, and then I will find out where I can find the restaurants. So the maps are very important in our lives. Maps save us time, the maps guide us, and the maps make our life easier, especially when we go out on a trip. We need maps to help us go around and don't get lost. We have now reached to the task options. We have 2 tasks, but in task number 1, you will find 2 options. Choose only one from task number 1. Now, the first option of task number 1 is to draw a map of your room. Here is an example of somebody's room, so you can draw the map of your room. Or task number 2 You can go to Google Maps if you have a mobile, or you can take your parents' mobile. Go to Google Map, search for your location, and take a screenshot. And then you can upload a screenshot of your location on your ClassDojo portfolio. And task number 2. You have here 2 maps. You need to look, observe, and then circle as many differences as you can between the 2 maps below. So look at the maps carefully, look at the different symbols, different keys, and draw, circle as many differences as you can find. And for closure, there is a nice game that you can go and play right now. Go ahead, videotape yourself, and show me how a brilliant player you are. So, again, thank you so much. Picture your tasks and post them in your portfolio in ClassDojo. Bye bye.